Food safety and environmental health. Welcome to our session on food safety and environmental health, where we explore essential practices to ensure safe food handling and storage. From tackling contamination risks to understanding HACCP principles, we'll cover strategies to maintain public health and trust in food services. Let's dive into the critical aspects of food safety management. Food safety. Food safety refers to the routines and practices involved in the preparation, handling, and storage of food. These practices are specifically designed to prevent foodborne illnesses and ensure that food is safe for consumption. By following proper food safety protocols, we can protect individuals from potential health risks, improve food quality, and maintain trust in food service environments. Remember, food safety is a shared responsibility and a critical aspect of public health. Challenges in food safety. Food safety faces several challenges today. These include changes in food production and supply, particularly the increase in imported foods. Environmental changes can lead to food contamination, while shifts in consumer preferences and habits also play a role. Additionally, advancements in testing methods for diagnosing foodborne illnesses complicate the landscape. What is HACCP? HACCP, or Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, is a systematic preventive approach to food safety. It identifies food contamination or spoilage as a hazard, analyzes the source of that hazard, assesses its level of danger, and implements control measures at critical points in the process. 7 Principles of HACCP. HACCP is guided by 7 principles. First, analyze hazards to identify potential risks. Next, identify critical control points in the process. Establish critical limits to ensure safety, and develop monitoring procedures to track these limits. If issues arise, establish corrective actions, verification procedures, and keep detailed records and documentation. Food contamination. We'll discuss food contamination, a critical issue in food safety. Food contamination happens when food becomes spoiled or tainted due to the presence of microorganisms like bacteria or parasites, or toxic substances. These contaminants can make food unfit for consumption, posing serious risks to health. Understanding and preventing food contamination is essential for ensuring that food remains safe to eat, protecting both individuals and communities from foodborne illnesses. Causes for food contamination. Let's explore the causes of food contamination, which can occur due to several factors. Physical contaminants. These include foreign objects like bones, glass, or metal fragments that accidentally enter food during preparation or packaging. Chemical contaminants. Substances such as pesticide residues, cleaning agents, or even allergens can contaminate food, posing health risks. Biological contaminants. These involve harmful microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, or parasites that can lead to foodborne illnesses. Dangerous foodborne microorganisms. Let's discuss some of the most dangerous foodborne microorganisms, which pose significant risks to health if not properly managed. Bacteria. Harmful strains like Campylobacter and Salmonella are common culprits of foodborne illnesses, often found in undercooked meats or contaminated produce. Parasites. Examples include Giardia, which can spread through contaminated water or improperly washed foods. Viruses. Hepatitis A and norovirus are highly infectious pathogens often transmitted through poor hygiene or contaminated food handling. Awareness of these microorganisms is critical for maintaining food safety and preventing foodborne illnesses. 4 steps to food safety. Let's talk about the 4 essential steps to food safety, designed to prevent contamination and keep food safe to eat. Clean. Always wash your hands, utensils, and surfaces thoroughly before and after handling food. Separate. Keep raw meat, poultry, and seafood separate from ready-to-eat foods to avoid cross-contamination. Cook. Ensure food is cooked to the proper internal temperature to kill harmful bacteria. Chill. Refrigerate perishable foods promptly and keep them at safe temperatures to prevent spoilage. By following these 4 steps: clean, separate, cook, and chill, you can significantly reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Cross-contamination. Let's discuss an important concept in food safety: cross-contamination. Cross-contamination occurs when harmful bacteria or other pathogens are transferred from one source to another. This can happen through improper food handling practices, such as using the same cutting board for raw meat and ready-to-eat vegetables without cleaning it, allowing raw juices from meat or poultry to come into contact with other foods. Failing to wash hands, utensils, or surfaces between tasks. Preventing cross-contamination is essential to protect food from contamination and keep it safe for consumption. Preventing cross-contamination. Let's talk about effective ways to prevent cross-contamination in food handling. One of the most practical methods is to use color-coded chopping boards and knives for different food types. For example, red for raw meat, blue for raw fish, yellow for cooked meats, green for salads and fruits, brown for vegetables, white for bakery and dairy products. By keeping these tools separate, you can avoid the transfer of harmful bacteria between food items, ensuring a safe and hygienic kitchen environment. Food allergens. Understanding food allergens is essential for ensuring food safety and preventing severe allergic reactions. Common allergens include milk, eggs, nuts, soy, wheat, fish, shellfish, and sesame. These foods can trigger a range of allergic responses, from mild symptoms like itching or hives to severe reactions such as anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. Proper handling of allergens is crucial. This includes clearly labeling allergen-containing foods, preventing cross-contamination, and being prepared to respond to allergic emergencies. By prioritizing allergen awareness and safety, we can create a safer environment for everyone. Refrigeration layout. The importance of a well-organized refrigeration layout to maintain food safety and freshness. Proper refrigeration starts with understanding the ideal placement and temperatures for different food items. Top shelf, best suited for butters and cheeses at around 7 degrees Celsius. Middle shelf, ideal for fresh fish and dairy products, maintaining a temperature of 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. Lower levels, reserve these for raw meats, ensuring they are kept at approximately 3 degrees Celsius to prevent spoilage and contamination. Drawers, perfect for storing fruits and vegetables at a slightly warmer range of 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, preserving their freshness without freezing. By following this layout, you can optimize refrigeration efficiency and maintain high standards of food safety. Chilling. Chilling is a crucial process that helps to reduce the rate of biochemical and microbiological changes in food. By lowering the temperature, chilling effectively extends shelf life and preserves the quality of food. This helps prevent spoilage and the growth of harmful microorganisms, ensuring that food stays fresh and safe to eat for longer periods. Freezing. The benefits of freezing as a natural food preservation method. Freezing doesn't require any additional preservatives. It works by locking in vitamins and minerals, preserving their nutritional value. At the same time, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates remain largely unaffected, ensuring the food retains its original texture and taste. As a result, frozen food is a viable and convenient alternative to fresh food, offering long shelf life without compromising on quality. Thawing. Thawing refers to raising food above the freezing point to defrost it. It's crucial to thaw food properly to avoid the risk of bacterial growth. For example, when defrosting meat, always do so in the refrigerator, in cold water, or using a microwave. Never thaw at room temperature, as it allows bacteria to multiply rapidly. By thawing food safely, you can prevent foodborne illnesses and maintain food quality. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please contact TSD Office Engineering, GHG. We appreciate your interest in ESG initiatives.